Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So in the previous lecture, I forgot to tell you one thing. This actually what I had done is I hadn't multiplied this by 2, right? If you had seen my estimation, I had taken only 3.05. But actually, whatever calculation we did, internal plastering vertical wall, it is including the ground floor and the first floor, isn't it? So it should be 3.05. Okay, that is 3.2 minus 0.15, 2 times. Why it is 2 times? Because ground floor and first floor, including both the height we had calculated, all this perimeter, right? So the answer will be 3.908 cubic meter of the mortar is to be required. Okay, this is the answer what you should be getting. Rest all things is same. Again, here I was getting some 54 point something, but here I have made it as 55.500. Maybe it's because no, these are few small quantities. While estimating, even I also sometimes make mistakes. Sometimes I forget to add. But again, like I always mention, it's okay if you miss something and all. Okay, nothing is going to happen in your calculation. So finally, you should get this answer of 3.908. If you had taken some 54 point something, then also you'll get something close to this. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so this is actually a deduction. So deduction we are supposed to write. Okay, so this is also correct. Now the last part is about the parapet wall external plastering. If you remember, in this plastering, that is external plastering completely, here if you remember, I added right here in this answer, I added 2.06 plus 9.91 plus 5.64 into 0.9. So this was my external plastering. All the external plastering I had taken care of. But again, if you remember, internal also we are going to do the plastering, right? So this is that portion, this portion, then this portion, and this portion. Yeah. So external plastering I had taken initially, this outer plastering, this outside plastering, and this outside plastering we had done. But since it's a parapet, again internal also you're going to do the plastering. Here also your plastering will come inside. Here also your plastering will come inside. Here also your plastering will come. Okay. So I could have added this plastering in this only. I could have done that also while I was explaining you for this point here. There also I could have done, but I didn't do there. But no, what I'll do is I'll do a separate thing called as parapet wall external plastering, and there I'll do the calculation. Otherwise, you could have done another thing. Here, instead of this, you can remove this part. Okay, don't add the parapet anything, any plastering, external plastering here. Take out all the values from here, and you can make a separate section by name parapet wall plastering, and then you add everything. That also can be done. Okay, fine. So what I'll do is anyhow, I'll not change anything. Let us consider the external plastering in this only, and only the internal plastering I'll teach you how it has to be done. Now again, your internal plastering will be happening here. So what is the plastering area? So this length from here to here, how much it is? 1.94. Okay. Then from inside, this inside to this inside, you'll do the plastering again, which is 9.68. And then this is from this inside, from where? Yeah, from this inside to this inside, you'll do the plastering, which is 5.52, right? Along with that, yeah, one more thing also we missed. See, again, this portion also you'll do the plastering. This portion also you'll do the plastering, and this portion also you'll do the plastering. Yeah. So a lot of things has to be added, right? So we'll do that one by one. I think I missed that part also in this. No problem. I'll add it. Okay. Yeah. So if you remember what I'm trying to tell, yeah. Anyhow, this plastering we had taken care, isn't it? Yeah. This we had taken care while we were doing. So we don't have to add a good, fine, no problem. So just remember 1.94 this plastering. So 1.94 I've added it here. See 1.94 plus 9.68. So this is 9.68. That is from here to here. This is 9.68. And then this is 5.52. Which one? This is this is 5.52. So 9.68 plus 5.52, you'll get the total perimeter. And the thickness I've written 20 mm here. Okay. And the height of the parapet till where the plastering will happen, we know it's given in the cross section that your height of the parapet is 0.9 meters. So that is the reason I'm taking 0.9 here. So I need to find the area without the deduction. So it will be something 17.140 is the total perimeter. If I multiply this by the height, I'll get the total area of the plastering, which is 15.426 square meter. And now I want to find the volume of plastering that is required. So volume will be 15.426 into the thickness is 20 mm. So I written 20, but what I have done is 20 divided by 1000 I have done. So I got the answer as 0.309. Otherwise, you can even write 0.00 2 also, it doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Remaining the extra plastering, already added it here, so it doesn't make any sense. Okay, I mean, it is okay. If you want to verify, you can do that. If you want, I'll do that for our easiness. We have to match the answer. I'll match you the answer. Okay, so this is 10.840. Just write it here. So this is 10.840 plus, what is the answer we have got now here? So this is, yeah, 0.309. Okay, 0.309. So how much it will be? So 10.840 plus 0.309. Yeah. So it is 11.149 cubic meter, right? So this is one way of understanding. Now let us consider that I'll not add this here, this portion, no, I'll take it out. This value, so note it down where it is at. This value, I'll delete it out. Okay, 2.06 plus 9.91 and 5.64. I add it in extra plastering. I'll just write it down here for understanding. So 2.06 plus 9.91, okay, and plus 5.64, right? Good. So what I'll do, I'll take it out. This portion is not required. I'll delete it now. Okay, this entire thing is not required for us. Yeah. Okay, so it is 10.523. That answer I'll add it here. So your answer should match at any cost. Okay, yeah, plus 2.06. Okay, these things I'm adding now. 2.06 plus 9.91 plus 5.64. 5.64. Okay, so how much I'm getting? So this is 20. The answer I'm getting is 0.626. Okay, so it is 0. So what I'm trying to do, 0.626. Okay, fine. 0.626 is this answer I got. So what should I be doing now? So this was 10.840. Okay, 10 point. Okay, now yeah, fine. Now this answer I have to match with this thing. That's it. Okay, yeah. So what is the answer I'm getting? 0.626. Now also it should match. So this is 10.523. No, now you match the answer. You getting my point? What I'm just trying to match the answer. That's it. So 10.523 is now this answer. So this answer doesn't have the extra plastering in that, and that extra portion it is coming here. That is 0.626. So you should get 11.149. So 10.523 plus 0.626. Okay, yeah, I'm getting 11.149 cubic meter. Getting my answer, getting my this thing. What I wanted to convey. It's one way. It's one and the same. Whether you add it here, because ultimately mathematics will not change. Here this answer is come less, but whereas that answer has increased here. If you don't want to do that in that way, I mean, whichever way you want to do, you can do it. Okay, great. So with this, we have completed this entire plastering calculation. Here the answer is 3.908. Here the answer is, it depends how you want to take it. If you don't want to take it in this way, you can even strike it out. So I'll just take it out, not required. I'll keep with the earlier method what I've adopted. Okay, I'm okay with that. And this thing, I have to add it here, right? So plus bracket open. It is how much? 2.06 plus 9.91 plus 5.64 bracket close and multiply this by 0.9. 0.9 and bracket close. Yeah, so 10.840. Yeah, it's matching. This is 10.840. It was matching, and this should be 0.309. Fine, good. Got it, no? So in this way, I've explained everything. There's a small mistake which I done, that also I've explained you. Right. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.